In this video, I explain how to perform increment operator in Python. But if you are new on my channel Statisticians Club, please subscribe the channel. Suppose you want to increase the value of a variable by any number. So three different methods are used in this video. First, suppose age is the variable which is 10. Enter This is the first method. Assume the variable which is age, add 1 and print age, print the variable. You can got answer here. Your age is 11 with increment of 1, and you can perform similar procedure for other mathematical operators. I copy here, paste. Suppose that I want to decrease age by 1. Print age. Here you can see age is decreased by number 1. Now for increment operator I use second method. Suppose age is 8 years plus is equal to 3. Enter. Print age. Here answer is 11. So at second method we test with different mathematical operator. Suppose we want to multiply by 3. Enter. Print age. Answer. Here you can see 3 is multiplied with 8 and answer is 24. Now we discuss third method. Assume age. Age is equal to 5. Here you can consider your amount of increment, amount underscore increment. Suppose that it is 4. You want amount of increment 4. You add or subtract or multiply age by 4. Enter next. Age plus is equal to, we add amount of increment. Here you can write, rather than word, write amount underscore increment. Amount underscore increment. Enter. Print age. Hit on run command. You can see your age is increased by 4 numbers, and you can perform. We check it for other operators. Paste here. Age 5, amount of increment 4. I want to subtract here, so minus sign. Hit on minus sign. Enter. Print command is used. to get the answer age. Run. You can your answer is 4, your answer is 1, so for amount of increment 4 is subtracted now. Thanks for watching. If you want to see videos on modulo operator in Python, print command in Python, then click the link in front of your screen. Thanks for watching.